Okay, let's try this one more time. If it freaks out again, I'm gonna take it as a sign from the universe that clearly today is just not my day. Let's see. Let's see though. Okay, sorted that out now. Done. Done, and go. Okay. I'm back. Sorry, Wi-Fi freaked out. Hopefully it plays ball. Else clearly it's just not my day. Okay, there. It looks okay. It looks okay. Okay, let's see. That being said, let's make sure we do this properly. Hey, Rithin, what's up? How's it going? Let's see if it plays ball. Okay. Sure, did a proper ejection off of the 618 level. Wow. Damn, that actually would have been really good. Moving on. What did he say? OTT, how's it going? Is this having a proper freak out? Hopefully it, yeah. Okay, so that would have worked. Okay, shorts it is. Trend is friend until it's not, right? So Geordie's still gunning for 580. Tap nicely into the first presented fair value gap. Oh, man, I was getting the damn stream ready or else this would have been good. Oh well, okay, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. And now it's running away. That little pause there. This one here would have been a goodie, damn. Respected that first presented beautifully. And now we're just going down, down, down. Ooh, to the new daily opening gap. $580 right there. There we go. How's this all looking? Is it better now? Kind of. Yes, no, maybe, apart from everyone being... Oh, heck yeah, it's going super fast. 10 AM news, do your setups before red folder. It's gone too far. I can't even get a setup now. This one here would have been... I mean, that would have been terrifying. I'd be like, I mean, it would have been an A+, let's just be real. Let's double check this. I'm pretty sure this was an A+. Yeah, okay, so this would have been an A+ setup, as you can see, would have actually been really good. Damn it. Oh well, it's fine. Stuff happens. Moving on. I was getting the stream set back up. It's fine. Don't freak out again. Don't freak out again. Hey Rayhater, what's up? Unlike your wife. I'm so sorry, High Life. Yeah, no, is it bad? Is it getting a little bit better or is it bad? It's bad, isn't it? Oh my gosh. Okay, I might have... Okay, let's see. Is this a sign that it's just like... No more. You're done. You're done. I don't love that range. If I was going to, I would be using this range, which is also not ideal. Also, whoop whoop for Geordie, by the way. Hey, Chris Witcher, what's up? How's it going? Hey, Frank, sorry. I know the Wi-Fi is having a mini meltdown. There we go. I think it should have sorted itself out now. I don't know why it's having moments, but it's having moments. I apologize. Sorry. Must be cloudy. I'm so sorry, yeah. This double bottom here is a little bit scary. Okay, so this isn't valid unless it's there. Toggle. Okay, read, I'll have a look. Right, yesterday I got so close to passing and overleved it and then tried to average down with more micros. No, Witcher, no! No, that's not okay. Oopsie, I'm pressing caps lock. What the heck, man? I'm so sorry. That's not okay. That is not okay. What does it look like on the 5-minute? Okay, there we go. Wi-Fi has decided that it wants to play ball again. That's nice of it. New daily opening gap here. Let's see what this does. If this was actually going to be a win, I'm gonna... Gosh, there it goes. Respected there. Created a little bit of an inverse here, but not so much on the higher time frame. I just don't like the double doji over there. You know me, top and bottom ticket. I know! Yeah, you really don't have to worry about that. News in... Oh, damn it, news in 5 minutes. You're right, rather hands off until news, especially if it's red folder. It could be doing something absolutely insane. Hands off. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Out of curiosity, Chris, what does Gemini say today? Again, just purely out of curiosity, because I think it's quite entertaining. Oh, okay. Wi-Fi sorted itself out. I apologize about that. I don't know why it decided that it hated me. It does it quite often. But starting from the first, I've upgraded, so then the Wi-Fi should be good. Okay, so news in 5 minutes. So, well, okay, 6 minutes to be... Yeah, to be more accurate. News in 6 minutes. Let's see how this goes. I feel like I need to double check these levels. I feel like they have moved slightly. Bubble, but I messed around a little bit first. I'll have to wait to get some confirmation with regards to that. It says gap filled, says maybe get to 217 today. What? Damn, okay, that's interesting. That's super interesting, Witcher. Is OTT here to yell at me? Where's OTT? Hey Dennis, what's up? Oh, do you want another 24-hour? You're gonna make me question all my life choices. Theoretically, I should do another one, but oh my goodness, I need to mentally prepare myself. That last 24-hour one demolished me a little bit. Use the candle at 9:46. But it wasn't the first presented. Why would you use that one, Reed? I mean, I see it's respecting it beautifully, but like, why that one? Oh, shoot, man. Trust your setup. It's been working so nicely these last few days. Here, I would have mitigated risk by 50%. But again, this is huge. Nearly 50 points. Sugar honey iced tea. Okay, well, it's okay. No, it's not tomorrow. I haven't prepared myself at all, so it won't be tomorrow OTT. I would have to prepare myself properly for that. Just saying. Just saying. Engulfing to there. James? Were you good? Who are you talking about? What's happening? Anyways, moving on. Why so angry? Are you okay? Well, the first 5 minutes from the New York Open. I've never heard that before. Where's that come from, Reed? Sorry. See, again, you learn everything. Well, you learn new things all the time. Yeah, I always knew it was don't use the opening candle for the first presented, but the next 1 minute fair value gap that is presented is the first presented because of the first presented fair value gap. Damn, people are so angry. Are people okay? Does everyone just need hugs? I feel like everyone just needs a hug. Bob, I see you. I see you. I see you. I'll. Okay, well, it took it out on ES, but it's faltering here. Okay, good to know that it's still oh, not quite as much. I see. Okay, I have a little bit of a dumb question. Everyone seems to be locked in, which is a good thing, but I have a bit of a dumb question. I feel like I should know the answer to this, but hey Karam, what's up? How's it going? Okay, so the dumb question is, right? Is it that, okay, let's say ES is pushing higher and pushing stronger than NQ. You say ES is stronger than NQ, right? Is it still stronger than NQ if it's pushing down faster than NQ? Or does that make sense? Do you still say it's stronger even though it's stronger to the sell side? Oh, hello. Oh, it's news. Okay, I wouldn't have been able to be in on this. Anyways, okay, so I guess I didn't miss out with regards to that because news would have tagged me. But still, it's fine, it's fine. Good to know that it's respecting the confluences. What you like to see, it's what you want to see. Okay, so there was the high impact news now at 10. I have a twitch in my arm. This is very weird. Everyone's being so quiet. Is everyone good? TP hit at 5:40. Ah! Whoop whoop, Bob! That is amazing! Whoop whoop! Well done, and whoop whoop to Geordie. I don't know where Geordie is, but whoop whoop to Geordie. Heck yeah! Around how many years have I been trading? 0. I've been trading for nearly a year in April. April will be a year. How exciting. But yeah, so April will be a year. So that's cool, that's cool. Okay. Let's now have a look-see. Do you think this is going to tap into the new daily opening gap? Nice, but frustrating. Retested nicely off of there. I want to quickly see here, because this would indeed then be the next level. Didn't take that out, so that would be then the next level. Don't love how it's just tapped into Bob level. Let's see. I'm still holding on shorts till 447. Okay, okay. 446 here. Okay, I'm gonna give you a level. 447.25. Wrong way. Okay, there's the read level. I'm curious. You've piqued my curiosity. Yes, I don't know why I did it with an accent, but anyways, you've piqued my curiosity. Let's see how this goes. Let's do this. Hey, Lukey! Hi, bull bias, waiting for momentum to go bull. Nice! How's it going? Lukey, I trade what I see in front of me. I need to change my mindset, because part of me is a little bit apprehensive to take a trade because I'm up like $610 today, and I don't want to mess it up by taking something dumb. So I don't want to mess it up by taking in something dumb and potentially giving it away. But at the same time, it's like OTT said, you have to almost just treat this as a new day, as a new session. Can't be thinking about what you could lose, right? Doesn't work that way. Which is a pity. If I'd done that earlier, I would have had another winning trade, to be fair. 1, 2. Okay, so it is working in my favor. Not in my favor, that's the wrong thing to say. It is respecting my confluences really well. So it's nice to know that the A+ setups are being respected. Like, that's what you want to see. You want to see the confirmation that the A+ setups are being respected, but you also don't want to wait too long to get in on an A+ setup, or else you might get in on the reversal, which is not ideal. Every trade impacts the PL in isolation. Exactly. Karam, no, I'm not. Random question, but no, I'm not. Oh, ow, I don't know if you guys heard that. My whole back just clicked. That was quite nice. Okay, moving on. I wanted to ask something. Hey, what's up? Tesfahoon? I don't know if I said that right. I apologize if I didn't. Yeah, welcome to anyone that is new. If you guys have any questions for me or the group, this amazing community, let me know. There is a Discord as well. So there is Discord if you guys want to join the Discord. I do also have affiliate code, or an affiliate code. It's Teach Maya. If you guys use prop firms, you know, give me a shout. I can give you my affiliate code. It's Teach Maya caps to get some discounts. So that's cool. Blue, 1 challenge, 1 funded yesterday, and yet I'm happy to trade today. So what happened, Luke? What happened? That sucks. I'm sorry. What happened? But I guess if it's like you said, you just have to, you carry on, right? You carry on. I'm up 3K initially, risking $400. I've moved stop loss to... Oh, damn, Reed, okay. Damn, that's nice. That's real nice. You know of someone who's been paid by... Oh, tons of people have been paid by Butanox. If I'm not mistaken, I know LP uses Bulinox. I'm not sure. Is there anyone else here that uses Bulinox? Do a little heyo. I personally have mostly heard good things about Bulinox. The only downside to Bulinox is the... Oh my gosh. There's one fee. That's a bit of the downside to Bulinox, but otherwise it's quite a well-trusted prop firm. If I'm not mistaken. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. They offer CFD or just futures? I think they offer CFD as well. If not, I know Top 1 Futures does offer CFD, but unfortunately my code doesn't work with the CFD. Sorry. MFFU changed rule on payout with my drawdown would have been my 7k. Did not notice they changed this. My mistake now. Has been 0.4k drawdown. What? That sucks. What, Lukey? That kind of sucks though. Why did they do that? It's respecting the heck out of this bob level. This... No. There. But this only has... Okay, nah, no, this would not have been an A+ setup at all. At all. It only had my shelves. Wow. Okay, so this would not have been an A+ setup. That one is an A+ setup. Let's wait for confirmation now. Oh, Dennis, here we go. We need food. There we go. So it's Teach Maya, all caps. Oh, thank you. Go have fun. I appreciate that. There we go. Just for anyone wondering, I did also pin it. Let's see. Perhaps too many payouts with gambling users. Oh, maybe that makes sense. But isn't that like the whole point of the... Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Wow, English has just left the building apparently. Hello. Consistency rule. Oh my word. Hi. Hi, someone's here to say hi, guys. Come on. You gonna come say hi? I have to bribe him. He gets all shy. We're not feeling shy today. Hey, oh, Franks. Franks, if you want control of the memes, let me know. Because you do. Because you are a member. Ipsy. There we go. You can go find it. I don't love how it's bouncing off of this bob level. Look how cute. Do we think it's going to the end dog? New daily opening gap. Oh, good grief. Sorry. We have fun, yeah. Hey, so what's up? You're back. Oh, thanks, Hans. Thanks for the sub. Much appreciated. Yeah, we are like this, but we have fun here. Franks, yes, I want the perks. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, give me a second. I'll send you everything. Franks, here you go. Let me quickly go into here. Voila. I think that's everything. Franks, just for you. Hey Laura, what's up?
That's what she said.
Like that. Sorry, it listens to the first one, but Laura, how you doing? How you doing? There do be a few. Got one funded left, 1.2k drawdown. I'm checking. Laura, how's it going? How's it been going? Got one funded left. Also, now I trade with 1 mini instead of 1 micro at a time. Per setup, I'll change prop room. Ah, okay. Which one are you gonna change to though, Lukey? Didn't get a proper 5-minute orb setup, so I took that level to level trade. Okay, Bob, I think you're gonna have to explain the 5-minute orb to me because I'm confused. Because didn't it break out of the 5-minute nicely, retest it, and then go? Or do you want to see a bit more of a retest before it goes? Is that correct? Yeah, literally, when I saw this breakout, I was like, I low-key want to get into this to go level to level, but I left it alone. Don't love this consolidation that's happening now. So what, did we just have the whole movement before news, and now it's kind of like, meh, done, thanks for playing. Hey, yo, fish cat, how are you? It's been a long time. Yeah, the holiday season was okay. It was okay. Beginning of Jan, we were not friends, but yeah, so far I've managed to pick myself up, dust myself off nicely, so that's cool. Laura, only okay? Why? The focus more on improving stats and not back to his last 2 weeks. Work has been taxing after trading, no energy left. Yeah, I can imagine. Just yet, perhaps one affiliates I must consider. Ah, Lukey. That'd be amazing, thank you. I created the fair value gap on the breakthrough, but the candle had too much buying pressure. Interesting, okay. Okay. Sorry, do you see, I'm kind of forward testing the 5-minute strategy. I don't really understand it properly just yet. It's why I'm forward testing it, so that I can start to see the correct setup for it. Yeah. Again, the more you know, the more you'll be able to see, the more accurate you'll be able to be like, cool. This works out nicely. Trading down was always cut price action. I'm glad you made it out. Like, oh, thanks, Fish Cat. Listen, it was a little bit touch and go there, but yeah. At least it looks like it's back in action. Damn, like I said, I missed this one here, but it's fine. It's fine. It is what it is. No. I missed it. Sorry, Stefan. I should have taken it. I liked it, but yeah, mistakes were made. It's fine. And then this one didn't come high enough to come get me back in. This, I now don't love how it's consolidating like so. And it tapped into the bob level, so it might want to retrace higher, so it might take me out, might want to come back up. Maybe retest the first presented. I again have questions about this first presented. I find it so interesting how so many people have different ideas about which is the first presented fair value gap. So which is correct? Hey, is it Clack on Wall Street? What's up? Get ready to buy, take it to 878. Lukey, cheers. Thank you for joining. I hope it's amazing. Oh, and Stefan says, sell again shortly. There's always another trade coming. Have a good session. Oh, thanks, Fishcat Zombie. You're amazing. No, you're right. Give me a second. Ooh, English is an English thing. What did I just say? Am I like having a stroke? Did I just say English is an English thing? Oh my gosh, I'm too young to die. Anyways, moving on. Hey Grinds Hard, what's up? How's it going? Good morning. Hope you're having a good trade session. How's that? Oh, Grinds, you know what? London was amazing. Probably one of my best trades yet. Up $610. It was a good old time. It was a good old time. Missed 2 trades here. So rude. Anyway, I'm joking. Just kidding. Hey, hi, live. What's up? How you doing? Yeah, Grides, how's your session been going? How's it been? Curtis, upset. Nice work. You're really getting that. Thanks, Curtis. I appreciate it. Yeah, it was a good session. Like I said, I owe it to OTT. I owe it to OTT because he did kind of get my head, I don't know, my head twisted on straight before the session, because he's been wanting to, I don't know, punch me through the screen because I kept mitigating my risk, which means I obviously wasn't earning what I should be earning per trade. So I put the correct amount of contracts in, which is why I actually earned the correct amount. Hey, Lucky Tries, what's up? Is there lag? How bad is the lag? Sorry, but it's okay, it's okay. Hopefully, like I said... Punch, no, that's abuse. I'm just a child. That's valid. Like I said, starting first... Oh, look at this. Starting 1st of Feb, I've upgraded the Wi-Fi. So we're good to go. Has been banked. Hey, Reed, okay, not bad. I mean, it looks like it's about to tap into the new daily opening gap, so that's quite cool. Let's see though. Holy guacamole, it's hot here. Phoenix Cloak, what's up? Hi, sorry the Wi-Fi had a freak out earlier. I'm back, I apologize. How was my day trading wise? Lucky Tries trading? Awesome sauce. Yeah, I'm up $610 for the day. Definitely not gonna complain about that. Let's see, this I would have mitigated risk by half. Let's see what it decides to do. I don't love what it's doing right now. Oh, Irene? Yes? I'm pretty sure I remember you. So there's a lot of people. How long ago were you here? Where have you been? Maybe that's the next question. No, I'm joking. I'm just messing with you. What's up? She's bougie now with the profits upgrading Wi-Fi. Oh my goodness. I wish. Yeah, Lucky Tries trading. How about you? How's your trading day been? I don't get any of this yet. I haven't passed the eval. Shucksy doodles. Grandchild, am I in this trade? No. I didn't like this consolidation and it just tapped into the bob level. You should have taken it. It's fine. 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 I love how you just called me bougie. I'm sorry. Does anything about me look bougie? I think you guys must start to be really concerned and you guys need to give me like a reminder that calm down. If you ever see me like strutting like designer things, because no, there's no point. That being said, sorry, I'll stop. I was about to go on a weird and wonderful rant about absolutely nothing important. So anyways, let's rather ask this. How has everyone's trading week been going? Are we green? Are we happy? Has anyone been struggling with anything? Yeah, does anyone want to ask any particular questions? Any concerns? I'm all eyes, I guess. I'm not going to say all ears because obviously I can't hear you, but I'm all eyes. Go ahead. Oof. Like I said, I would have mitigated risk by half. So where my mouse or cursor, whatever you want to call it, is where my stop loss would have been now if I was in this trade. So let's see if it hits or not. Not at all, you're super down to earth, just British humor. And you know what? I can 100% appreciate that. South African humor. What would South African humor be with that? Actually, I can't do that. There's no South African humor that won't be like PG. Yeah, South African humor is just a little rough sometimes. Stefan Green for the week so far. Whoop whoop, that's amazing. Well done. Okay, so it seems that everyone's having some amazing whoop whoop days. Yes, there we go. I think it still wouldn't have quite taken me out yet. There, I'm pretty sure it would have. Okay. So, okay, definitely would have there. So that would have been a half loss. Yeah. A half loss. You know, sticking to rules and. So I'm glad I didn't like this damn barcode going on here. Which best firms allow EA trading? I'll have a look for you, Dennis. Dennis, are you on the Discord? I can wait until the midday macro comes into play. No! Read why? There's all-time highs after all-time highs. It's been insane. Gold has been crazy. I've never made as much money over the past year. Okay. So this is just something I read, so correct me if I'm wrong. Is it because of all the fear and uncertainty going on in the world? That's why gold is going absolutely bananas, right? Is that correct? Okay, I entered some Euro USD, but I'm still holding them, and I'm up 18% on my small account. Wait, okay, Lucky tries trading. How many different assets do you trade? I step back to execute trade and watch market conditions to understand which conditions are good for my strategy. I trade only in Bitcoin. Sorry, I had grass in my hair. Farm girl life. Anyways. Bitcoin. Yes, I haven't really checked out Bitcoin, but from what I've seen, the people that do trade Bitcoin are enjoying it right now, and they say the market's been quite nice to be trading. Again, I don't know that much when it comes to Bitcoin and stuff, so I apologize. I won't be the right person to ask. But again, for anyone that is new, if you guys want to join the Discord, just do like a little hands up. I will pop the Discord link in here. It is also in the description below. You guys are more than welcome to join. If I don't have the answer, I can guarantee you someone on the Discord or someone in the amazing community will have the answer, and they will be more than happy to help you out. Like I said, it is why I absolutely love this community. Everyone is just so willing to help. Everyone wants to help each other. We just want to see each other win. Rough. Damn, okay. Yes, that's correct. Okay, cool. Price is trying to... Oh, okay, cool. Auto. Dennis? Okay, so Dennis, you are in the Discord, right? Then, believe me, pop a message on the Discord. I will just tag everyone and I'll say, y'all, here's a question. You'll get a little bit like flooded with answers, but that's not a bad thing. It gives you options. Also, Mon, hi! Thank you! Yeah, it was a goodie. It was a goodie. That would have sucked, guys. Check. Wow. And now we're dropping solidly. Hit the full range of the short ink. Okay, so plus 3k. Oh, Mon, that is amazing. Well done. I don't mess with Bitcoin or cryptos right now. Out of all the things you can trade, I've seen the most amount of people lose everything in crypto. Isn't it because it's over? What's the correct word? Overbought? I don't know if that's the correct word that I'm looking for. Why do you use a GAN box with fib levels as opposed to just using a fib? I don't know. I don't actually know. I just like it. I think it's just it works for me, if that makes sense. Ayo, Jordy, I've been back. Where have you been? I'm joking. Also, whoop whoop, by the way. I saw it hit your level beautifully. So you're having a good day as well. That's amazing. I trade mostly, look at the euro dollar and US oil and gold, but I have certain thresholds to what I can trade based on profit gained. Okay, Lucky tries trading. Sorry guys, I'm asking like a bunch of questions. I hope you don't mind. Sorry, ADHD kicked in. How long have you been trading for? That's like the next question. Oh, this is now becoming sad price action. I don't like this. This is now doing some seek and destroy, so like that's not nice. Oh, just missed the bob level. That would have hurt my little old soul. Hey, okay, Jordy, go on then. Do it. Hey, Devar, what's up? How's it going? It's so volatile. You can make a ton, but easily lose it as well. I know, Curtis, that's the thing, right? The second people say, oh, it's so volatile, oh, you can make so much, I do want to look at them and be like, okay, so what you're telling me is that I can also lose a lot. It's volatile, it could go either way. Quarters forward, but nicely. So for 4 years. And Lucky tries trading, how long did it take you before you were profitable? Sorry if I'm being intrusive, you can just be like, you know, time out, calm down, but you know, it's always nice to get to know the community, right? I see you guys as friends. I don't know if that makes me really sad or not, but I genuinely see you guys as friends. I always want to hear about everything that's going on. I got the amount, otherwise I would have chucked it in Discord trip. There's a reason people like trading Nasdaq. No expert, there's a lot of logic to trading Nasdaq. So wait, there's no logic with the other things, right? That's kind of what it sounds like you just said, but I've heard Nasdaq has a lot of benefits to it. Again, I just started with Nasdaq. It's what the friend who taught me the basics said would be a good one to start with, especially because you have the micros as an option. So again, to save on some capital while you're still learning and figuring and finding your feet, it's a good place to start so you don't, again, like over leverage or put too many contracts in and just absolutely destroy yourself and just blow through your capital very quickly. Hey Alexander, what's up? I'm trading the MNQ. Yeah. There we go. Price is trying to until it's Phoenix Cloak. Where do you get these big ass words from? Damn, like I feel like I'm my brain is malfunctioning when I sometimes read these sentences. At this point, we ate the noodles, we're besties now. We are better than besties, but we are trading besties. That was very lame, I'm so sorry. Yeah. But that's exactly it, right? You want to be able to have friends that you can chat about the charts with. Like I said, I don't have any IRL friends. I'm so sorry, that was so lame, but I had to. Like face-to-face friends that I can talk about this with, because everyone gives me a weird look because, oh, it's a scam, why are you doing that? You know, they don't know what I know. I know you know what I know. Oh, this is doing some seek and destroy price action now. That's not nice. Okay, this is definitely hands off until it picks a direction and then wait for an A+ setup and then we can go from there. Let's see though, this, okay, again, thank you OTT. Inverse fair value gaps don't mean that much on the 1 minute time frame. They're respected more on the higher time frames. The more you know, right? Okay, cool, so it wasn't just me. Thank heavens, like, anyways. Phoenix, like you've been speaking profitable. I mainly lack when it comes to handling profits more than losses, but I'm still figuring that part. Okay, wait. Lucky tries trading. Explain that to me, please. Researching. True. Yeah. Scam talk from people who don't trade. No, all the time, Curtis. All the time. And they give you weird looks and then you know, that's scam and blah, 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 and it's just so negative. So it's not even worth telling people that I trade. I've learned my lesson. People are like, what do you do? I'm like, I don't know, nothing. Twiddle my thumbs. Don't stop that. I know we know what they don't know. Exactly, highlight. Thank you. Okay, so it's not just me. I'm too, no, let's not say terrified. It's just not worth it telling people that you trade. It's just not worth it. Who leaves it when you say you trade us? I don't bother with saying anything. Right? Break the rules. Sure. Kalanani? Absolutely not. I mean, you were right this morning when you said that it was going to start shortly, but still. I mean, it took a while for it to start shortly, but still. What's your tips on FOMO? Ooh. Is it Erlang? Did I say that correctly? So there's a few things. Number one, have a set of rules. And when it comes to FOMO, if you start to feel yourself getting FOMO, step away. I had to do that, yes. Well, I had to do that. Luckily, you guys were amazing and you told me to just step back, take a bit of a breather. Again, I don't know what I would do without you guys. And it really helped a lot. Take a step back. If you have to turn off the charts for the day, turn off the charts for the day. Remember, it's day trader, not everyday trader. If you feel FOMO taking hold, it's not worth it. You're about to make, well, you're either about to get lucky or you're about to make a mistake, but either way, you're not sticking with your rules. Have a set of rules, stick with them. Don't just jump in on a trade because you think it looks good. Like, if you're having FOMO but your setup is there, it's a different story. But make sure you try and handle and make sure you maybe journal that as well. When in doubt, that journal is a bit of a lifesaver. Journal what happened. Be like, yes, it was a win, but I took it while feeling fear of missing out. Like I said, journal the emotions behind every trade as well, not just every trade, not just being like, oh, look, I won. How were you feeling before you took the trade? How were you feeling during the trade? Sorry, you asked the question, I spewed, I'm so sorry. Curtis, oh, thanks. Thank you is trying to emulate the upside. Don't try to sit in on them. Oh, good grief. Looking like a no trade day for me. Oh, but who knows? Still got an hour. OTT? Let's see. Here we go. This went Bob level to Bob level. Would have... depending. I think... Let me just zip my lips before I say something wrong. So wait. It wasn't. It was learn. Learn. Is learn still here? Hey LP, what's up? How's it going? I had a really good trade during London, LP. Yeah, check out this bad boy. Had full TP here, left a runner to the top of NWOG, and I actually left two runners. So yeah, first runner was to the top of NWOG. I mean, look at this. Technically, the second runner I placed here at 717. This missed me by a tick. Was quite rude. And then I just had a trailing stop loss. I just followed all the swing lows and it took me out there. Yeah, it was good. It was good. Can't complain. And now waiting for confirmation that this is going to be a goodie. Where's Luke? Oh, I think Lukey left. I was going to say, is this the bull that Lukey... Okay, I need to stop talking for a minute. Apparently English is depleting. I'm going through the English dictionary too quickly. The brain's malfunctioning. Let's take a minute. Oh, good grief. Alright, what's up? I can make money, but I can also lose those gains I made, mainly by trading setups that don't have a higher probability to go with my analysis. So, Lucky, do you have like a set of rules that you stick to, no matter what? I'm long. Why am I long? Why am I long, Geordie? Were you not done for the day? I stood away today too much uncertainty today with the green and stuff. You just gave a lecture on impulsivity. I know, and here you are. But are you doing it on like your eval? Had a perfect, yeah, sure, but didn't take it pre 10 a.m. Ah, no! OTT, I'm so sorry. To be fair, that's low-key what happened with this as well. It was 5 minutes before. This would have been quite a decent setup. That's what it is. How are you going up in sub so fast? 102 for the last time. I saw you this morning. Maybe people think I'm cute. I'm joking. I have no idea. It's super exciting though. You know, let's make this community. Honestly, trade with news on Forex Factory. Trying to set up from that, you'll never trade. Hi, Jimble. Yes, I placed a limit. Did not get full by 2 ticks. Oh, that is so rude. That is so rude. I can't believe it did that. Ah, look at that. We talked about subscribers and someone left. How rude. Fine. Don't love me. No, I'm joking. I'm so kidding. I'm so kidding. I'm so sorry. I'll stop being so dramatic today. Go have fun. I can kind of speak Afrikaans. Not great though. I took on the FN fund. Oh, don't touch. OTT, did you see what Geordie did? He's right there. Hey, playing at safe, one trade, then pay out. Not gonna force anything right now. True. He told me accountability sometimes, which is good. There we go. Kalani, can I go long on your channel? Cute, thank you. Flip. I wish. Should we? No, we don't do that. I was gonna say, should we make bets? But no, that's a no. We don't do that. Is he? Yes, Jody, he's here. OTT, are you seeing this? He's on the horizontal, I think. Yes, I have developed rules I follow wholeheartedly. Oh, amazing. Yeah, I am. I'm South African. What's up? Right, so there's always something happening, so that's why I say that red folder news matters, but don't ignore it as well. It can affect and will depends what's happening. Jody, that's hilarious. A lot of us are. We tend to gather here. Yeah, we do. South Africans unite. Jody, where's your TP at, by the way? And I'm assuming you're break even by now as well. I'm here. I was summoned. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. Fair's fair though. Boom Banana tattled on me today. Boom Banana literally tattled on me in Discord. So rude. Anyways. He did, and now he caught another one. Jordy's just living his best life out here today. Dom long coming? Yes. This would not have... Let me just quickly check something. Would I have taken this? Most likely not, but anyways. Oh, it would have just got me in. Wow. I mean, cool, but yeah, would I have trusted this? I don't know. After that manipulation over there, probably not. Let's check out this. From the bottom there to there, not even close to coming back down. Tapped into VWAP there, it's now taken out above. It's going back to the first presented by the looks of things and back to the 5 minute. It already took out the 50% there, but not of the full range. No, it wasn't of the full range. Sorry, I'm talking to myself. But no! You little bugger. Full range? It's about to just tap into it. Interesting. I'm obviously not taking this. This is a little bit excessive, but I'm wanting to see how it reacts to the full range Let's see how this goes. Really thought I was from the US. Really? Lucky, where are you from? I'm assuming Mzansi as well, but yeah. I thought I was the only one. No, no, no. There's a few South Africans here. We're South Africans United. FOMO's a killer, guys. I'm not anyone special, but I'm powerful. Since me, FOMO's a killer. It will finish you. Yep. Okay. Reggie could around my face now, but it's working somehow. Pullback and continuation to up. Oh, you just thought that this was potentially a pullback? What does it look like on the higher time frames, actually? Let's see if it popped into something hectic. So it took that out. It just missed tapping into the new daily opening gap. I can't believe it. Slightly into there. Okay, let me quickly check the higher time frames. I'm gonna block this so that I don't have to give a flash warning. OTT, I'm looking at you. Ah, tapped into the shelf on the higher time frame. Yes, I call it shelf. I know there's probably better words for it, but it's a shelf to me. Okay. On the 5 minute, tapped into the shelf. Tapped into the imbalance as well. Let's see. Going back up, there's an imbalance up here at around that 695 level. Do we think that's what it's headed for? And then continuation back up. Okay, so that was on the 5 minutes. Let's check the 15 minute quickly. Yeah, literally tapped into shelf slash, I guess on the higher one it looks a little bit like a bigger order block. Okay. Hey! Gigio, what's up? John, what's up? How's what possible? What's what possible? Watching it go along right now. There's technically a 5 minute breaker here though. Oh, go have fun. Bye. Enjoy. Northwest. Nice. About to be freezing my donkeys off this weekend. Sorry, that goes into the Bob quotes. Bob quotes, gotta love them Bob quotes. Bob quotes, da 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 da. There we go. Gonna go back into this first presented value gap. Well, first presented is a bit of a stretch, sorry. That was just a retest. Yeah, this is gonna continue back up. Never mind. I think this is gonna continue bullish now. Here we go. Was just a retest. Bullish we is now. Again, I'm aware that, you know, things can happen. Maybe it won't be, but let's see. Let's go 725. Ooh, 725. That would be quite nice. Okay, 725. Hey, 75 could be a goodie. Let's see. I do agree with bulls though. I think this is gonna now be bullish. Do people live there, Jordy? That is so rough. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget, y'all can get a membership. Okay, I'm sorry. Memberships for win.
That's what she said.
Sorry, I'll stop. Parties is in Northwood. Oh my god, yeah, honestly, Jordy. God, there's a few Gauteng people here. I'm KZN. Well, to be fair, I came from Pretoria side, actually. I moved down to KZN August last year. Yeah. So I'm actually KZN side. So you'll see on the streams, a lot of the times, you will hear what sounds like rain. It is actually the monkeys running over my roof and making all the noise. I'm not holding for that long. I also decided to stick to daily EQ and ignore the midnight open. At 1624. At 1624. Okay, I'll have a look there, but mostly farms and lawns. Interesting, Frank. Okay, so Franks, you're in this? Okay, so Franks is in this. Geordie's in this. Who else is in a long right now, by the way? Who else is long? Who else is having a good old jolly time right now? Hey, there's an ant. It's Anthony. Anthony's back. Anthony, get it? Oh, sorry. And to find VP targets with ICT theory. It's go. Actually, filters for trades and daily EQ, a good one. So wait, Geordie, you said you did some Bob backtesting, right? And out of curiosity, did you find like good entry signs or signals? That's what I'm looking for, you know. Good entry models, that's it. That was trading jargon. That's using the fancy words. I'm barely bullish. Nice. I like that. I will short it, guys. Stop it. Anthony, where did I hear that before? There was an ant walking over me the other day and I was, who was it? Some guy was like, call him Anthony, and now that's a thing. And now he's chilling over there. Do you wanna hop on my hand? No, it's fine. Let me not bug the poor ant. Only 6 months worth of data across 2 assets. Okay, and what it sorry, I'm being a little bit like intrusive, but yes, no, maybe? Does it seem promising? And also falling bearish. That's amazing, Franks. That's what you want to see in the markets, right? Awesome. That's all you want. You want all those annoying things. Okay, let's do this. Oh yeah, I forgot. Sorry, Kalanani was he saying, I forgot that we ended the London stream on 11,000 subs. So yeah. Managed to jump up. Where are you going? Okay, Perry's leaving me. So I'm very aware that I'm talking a lot. I'm so sorry. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget to press that little like button. Right? Like. So, conclusion, the source is good for scalping. Also way more probable on gold. If you're sizing up, you can make big bank off of 75. Interesting, that's interesting. So gold is like winner chicken dinner. That's very interesting, okay. Yeah, listen. It's quite a goodie. It's quite a goodie. Right now I'm using the Bob source as confluences. It was actually my third confluence for the New York trade. Was it? It was. Yeah, here you can see the entry here. Oh, sugar. It might help if I drew this correctly, hey? There. There was my entry. So you can see it like almost correlated with the Bob level before it went up. Huh. Well then. Alrighty, Jordy, are you still in this? Have you been taken? Am I only watching the markets after the London win? Hey, yo, Mac, what's up? How you doing? Well, if an A+ presents itself, but yeah, Loki, I don't want to now go and give back some great profits, obviously. Hey, Manifest, crypto? No, sorry, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Holding intraday trades though can be harder with the Bob levels. I share myself into trades, those levels with bother us a bit, but they make good magnets / targets. That's exactly so. I think they have their time and place, obviously, but so does anything. And if you can make it work using them, then that's amazing. And like you said, it can be quite a nice target or just an area of interest, if you will. If it's just to watch and see how the market reacts there. Oh, thank you. I'm out trail that's whoop 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 whoop, Jordy. Hey, well done. It's super hard to take trades from them for me, but as they work. Gold is so safe to trade at the moment. It's a bit naughty. Okay, I'm low-key gonna go check out the gold. I'm curious. You guys have piqued my curiosity. I'm just checking out the micros. Well then. Whoa. What happened? Oh, the news happened here at 10. Damn, that was a solid drop on gold at 10. Ooh. Sorry if anyone was in along and got taken out by that. It's weird how my brain just doesn't brain with gold. Does that make sense? I don't know if that made any sense at all. Like, I can see that probably my strategy would still work with gold, but I would have to just get used to the market. It just looks so different, but same, but different. It's really hard to explain. But I see it's going up, just not as... That being said, it's probably moving a lot. It just looks different compared to NQ. There we go. If I do that, it doesn't look so bad. Sure, gold is quite wicky, hey? Maybe that's why it looks different to me. Gold is quite wicky at the moment. I mean, never mind, there it's moving properly, but it can be quite wicky. Hey, Reed, there you are. What's up? I'm long gold, up $500. Hey, pretty well done. To target, also hit my stop loss at 670. Okay, not gonna lie, the last few months gold has taken no skill to trade. If you hold long enough, you always end up in profit. You buy at any dips, it prints money. See, now you're making me want to low-key just mark it in here. No, I'm joking, I won't do that. That's cheeky, I won't do that, but interesting. The more you know, people, the more you know. I have two strategies now, long gold print money and the other forex thing. Oh, nice. And okay, it's crazy. So wait, Curtis, so do you have like a specific strategy for it, or are you literally just kind of buying in? Do you have a stop loss? Do you not use a stop loss? I'm pretty sure we've had this discussion. I apologize about that, but yeah. Trend long, it's already moved up. Set stop loss to break even. You're making a big move, that's why I think it's different. Mac probably. Like I said, it just, I don't know. It looks different. I don't quite know how to explain it. I think I'm just so used to the Nasdaq. Oh, we talk like we did. And just before it gets there tax, but it's those volume levels sitting smack in the middle of the choppy chop. Wait for retest on gold. You have to get used to it before you trade or push it. Yeah, no, 100% back, 100%. I find it so... Like, obviously it makes sense. Different assets move differently. If they all moved exactly the same, that would low-key be kind of weird. But I know there's similarities with every asset, right? You just have to make sure you understand it before you hop into it. Might give me more competition for bigger art trades. Do it, OTT, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Alright, this reaction from the 50-minute event gap is damn. Huh. Was the full range actually accurate? Accurate. Wow. Sorry. I'll need to break that wick from the last New York session open. OTT, you might take a short. Are you watching peak price action right now? Morn? Yes. Got this break. 2 more subs and 11. Oh my gosh. That's the goal. We need 2 more subscribers, then it's 11111. Strong reaction to either phase shift, bearish continuation. Okay, wait, Morn, explain. So you think this is going to be bullish? No, bearish continuation. Yes, okay, bearish continuation. Okay, so you think this is going to continue back down. Got it. It happened! It happened! Yes! Whoop whoop! 11. 11111. Woohoo! Whoop whoop whoop. Oh my goodness. Sorry, we're having way too much fun with this. Oh, no bias so far, just observing. That makes sense. Whoop whoop. Isn't it that you can like make a wish now? Or is that only if it's like 2 consecutive things? You guys got 4K there, 40 points on white candle and gold. Damn. Relax, that's awesome. Do you ever feel like never talking about trading outside your trading hours, like on your off days, or when talking to someone who doesn't trade? Okay, wait, Mac. Okay, give me 2 seconds. Curtis, let's start there. Use stop losses. I have a strategy. Gold is really fundamental heavy. This is technical analysis at the moment. Aww. Nice! Thanks for joining, Curtis. Now I'm gonna add you and then you have access to the memes. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, exactly. Ah, there we go. No, I'm joking. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for subscribing. He's been holding a trade since then. Okay, Mac, do you ever feel like never talking about trading outside your trading hours? Like on your off days or when talking to someone who doesn't trade? In particular, I'm not gonna lie, I hate talking to non-traders about trading. Maybe hate is quite a difficult word. Let's change that word. Curtis, I'm adding you quickly so you have full access, by the way. Edit Curtis. So, okay, let's one thing at a time. Sorry, the ADHD. I hate talking to them about it because a lot of the times, like I said, they can be quite judgy and then they just have like judgmental. I gifted a membership and it just gifted myself. Yep. So you now got it. You got it. Anyways, Curtis, you now have control. I love it. Apologies. Again, I lost the brain cells, went and did their own thing. So I don't enjoy it, especially if people just, they're asking to judge, they're not asking to learn. But I must say recently, some of the people I have spoken to about trading, I'm very selective about who I actually mention that I trade with, but the people that I have spoken to trading with are genuinely interested. I think the world nowadays is very scary. So a lot of people are now genuinely interested, not so much in the day trading thing, there it's still like some judgmental looks, but the investing side. So they like throw questions. Unfortunately, I'm not well versed when it comes to the investing side of this yet. I want to. I think it's on the list of things to do. I would really like to start investing. I don't actually really know where to begin, but I mean, this time last year I didn't even know how to day trade, so anything and everything is possible. But yes, I think it's a very scary world at the moment. So the second you mention trading, everyone gets all excited, but they tend to ask more about investing, and then they want to know, what do you invest, or what would you invest in, and how do you do this? And but again, pick your people. But as you can clearly tell, I could most likely chat about trading all day long. That being said, I am still a little bit of an introvert. So how I talk to you guys is sometimes quite different to how I talk in person, because I'm a little bit shy, believe it or not. I know some people look at me when I say I'm shy and they're like, oh, sure, whatever. If I'm comfortable with you, like I am with you guys, I'll talk your ear off, don't get me wrong. But the second I'm a little bit shy around you, yeah. Just, yeah. Curtis, I got you. I apologize. I see messages popping up. I will respond soon. I see you. I see you. Boom. Curtis, you have access. Winning. Cheers, Dom. Sorry, I've missed a lot. Trading isn't meant for everyone, I guess. Hey, what's up, John? What's up? I could be the recipient of that donation. 10 low. Yeah, not a day goes by where I get that. Yeah. Because we're chopping around daily EQ. I need some advice when you guys make withdrawals. Obviously, you can only withdraw so much to your card. I'm so sick of crypto fees when withdrawing. Anyone here trade crypto and have thoughts or advice with regards to that? Cheers, Dom. Have an amazing day. Yeah, pop your trades in the Discord. I'd love to see it. Investing equals wealth. Trading equals... Anyways. You shy never. Lucky. Believe me, if you guys ever have to meet me in person, oh, you won't even recognize me. You'll be like, what is wrong with this person? She doesn't talk half that much. I'd be like, yeah, I might be blushing a little bit because I get super shy. I'm actually really introverted. The fact that I sing karaoke in front of people is wild, but that's me like trying to step out of my comfort zone. What was the Lord open? Yeah. A 1 hour trading window just started. I'm not taking any sloppy trades, so wish me luck. Oh, cheers, Mac. Good luck. Oh, yay, thank you. Nope, I don't trade crypto. Never touched it before. In the UK, you can only withdraw so much to your card. Oh, interesting. Okay. Closing the trade break even. Yesterday I made a loss in USDJPY. Oh, sorry. Muggish. I'm gonna call you Muggish. Is that okay? Or should I just call you Mug? You might range around here. Good call. It was so painful. Don't worry, Mug. I get it. I hope you don't mind me calling you Mug. Is that okay? Sorry, I don't want to be rude. Is that fine? Are you happy with me calling you that? Law in UK can only withdraw 1,000 and the rest needs to be... what? What? See, you learn something new every day. That's weird, why? So whenever you withdraw your crypto fees, when you turn it to cash. Call me Steven. Steven! There we go. What's up, Steven? How you doing? Oh, there we go. Steven, where are you from? We're in discount. There we go. Nice, we keep just moving in down. Don't want to be in the, especially so late in the session. Oh, Mug, have fun with me. Be nice, Jordy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm not okay. No, Steven, why? Just because of a loss? It's okay. There's still tomorrow, right? Tomorrow can be...
Nice.
Curtis, you now have access to this, by the way. Curtis. Curtis, I gotcha, I gotcha, I gotcha. Curtis, you're on... No, are you? Wait, I'm having to now think about this. Curtis, are you on the Discord? These are the commands, by the way.
That's what she said.
There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay. Oh, you're from Uganda. Cool. What's up? I'm South African. Well, there's a few South Africans, yeah. Yes, stop it. The timing was spot on. I'm proud. Thank you. What a call. My stop would have been hit. Nice. No, you're not sure I've concluded. Nah, believe me. Believe me. It's bad. That's bad. One day. Sure, no, this would have been headed for stop loss. Yeah, no, Mon, I agree with you. I think anything taken now would potentially be a bit of a gamble. It's in a bit of a weird spot. I was just retesting. What does this look like on the 5-minute? Ooh, yeah, okay. I think this is going to continue to the buy side. All the way up. I think it just basically rejected right off of this first presenter. I know it like didn't really touch it, but still. Like, okay, let's rephrase that. I suspect is the keyword there. Right? Let's not be like, I think it's gonna do. No, I suspect it might do that. I could so easily be wrong. How do I do it? So you just, do you see the things I sent? You just type in what you want. So if you want the scream, let's do the scream, for example. Let's say you had a bad trade. You just do exclamation mark scream. And then this pops up. So you have full control of the memes, including the you know, that's what she said, and the why, and the sad violin music playing when there's losses, and the coffin dance. There's a lot. I think that's also it. There is quite a few, but if you have your few favorite memes and you know the prompts for them, then you're good to go. It's an equilibrium of the opening range. It's a skill to exit before the circus. I like that. But yesterday before I made a profit of... That's not bad! I nearly called you mug again, I'm so sorry. That's not bad, Steven. I lost the entire account. How? What happened? No, I'm not on Discord. No. That's okay. Curtis, do you even have Discord? No, not really. You're in trading. Then people who every day. Yeah. You're cooking the conditional and very low probabilities earlier, maybe than I would have held. Very, very valid. Very, very valid. John, what's up? What you waiting? Wait, sorry, is it John or is it Kwon? I've messed that up before. Is it the first or second? Am I saying it correct or am I butchering it? I'm so sorry. Because like South Africa, you would say like Juan, but maybe it's Kwon. I got yelled at the other day by Rip for mispronouncing, so just making sure. Okay, this price action's now low-key a tad bit stuck. Okay. It's low-key a tad bit stuck, let's see. Everyone good? Everyone's being a little bit quiet now. Are we all focused? It's pronounced... That does not help me. That doesn't help me at all because I'm still reading it exactly the same. Hey, Barrigan, what's up? Stuck at work? No! Why? Tell work to leave you alone. Anyways, thanks for subscribing, Kelvin. I think it's a little late. Maybe you subscribed early, but anyways. I enjoyed the what course? Which John is an exhale. Like, it's an exhale, like, but then the Kwon. John, both of them I can exit. Now I'm confused. Sorry, I'm so sorry, John. We're now getting stuck on this topic. Anyways, do you think the euros could go up and hit the level at where I'm looking to get out, and obviously along the way I will be adding more. Who's trading the Euro USD? Everyone's Spanish is a hippie J is pronounced as H, so you would say Juan. Thank you, Mac. Thank you. See, I appreciate that. So it is Juan. I appreciate it. In what time period? There we go. Oh, yo guys, sorry, that reminds me, don't forget to press that like button. Let's get those little likes in. The more we can grow this community, the better. Juan. I'm joking. So it's Juan. Juan is correct. Awesome. So then there we go. Juan, what were you asking? Wait, what with? I apologize for mispronouncing your name like 1,000 times. Okay, so Mac, you're trading Euro USD. So Lucky is asked, with the Euro USD, could it go up and hit the level at 1.1800 or 1,800? That's where I'm looking to get out, and obviously along the way I'll be adding more. There we go. And he's on the daily. Hey Alex, what's up? Yeah. Again, chart's not bad. Didn't really get a trade in today. Well, during the New York session. I am still up $610 today though, so that's cool. That's cool. I'm not gonna complain about that at all. I don't know why, but the stupid market wants to push it to highs. It kind of does. Sorry, High Life. It's just, it listened to your name and it's like, High Life, got it. So we gotta go push the highs. It's okay, I'll do this to myself. I feel like it's deserved.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Anyways, there we go. Apologies. You're not seeing an enemy support. Very, I think it's Spanish, correct me if I'm wrong. I think it is. I think. Okay, so Lucky. Max says 1.17800 is a key level. Is it 17800 or the 1.1800? But yeah, Max says the 1.17800 is a key level. So what are you trading now, Steven? Well, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What are you trading? But yeah, I'm on the Nasdaq futures. A few of us are on Nasdaq futures and ES here. There's a few who trade Euro USD. There's a few that actually trade Bitcoin as well. It all depends on you. Yeah, we are quite a diverse bunch. I love it. Like I said, if I don't know the answer, I can almost guarantee that someone else in this amazing community does. These are normal Afrikaans boykie. That's kind of funny. Chick-fil-A breakfast. Do you want to send some Chick-fil-A here to South Africa? Because you keep mentioning it and it sounds amazing, and we don't have any here in South Africa, and now it makes me sad that I can't even experience what you're talking about. Aw, that's okay, Steven. Maybe soon you can get back into the game, right? Get back into the game even stronger, but okay. On that note, yeah, okay. On that note, don't forget to like the stream, guys. Gonna say 3 things. Don't forget to like the stream. There is a Discord. The link is in the description below. If you guys aren't part of it and you want to join, you're more than welcome to. Like I said, it's an amazing community. I'm thinking of adding a discipline section to it. It's basically like a help. It's just something that's on my mind. I haven't placed it yet, but I think it could potentially be nice. Third thing, if you guys do use prop firms, if you use any of the prop firms in my description below, I apologize. I don't think I've removed funding ticks. Funding ticks is no longer, but if you do use any of the prop firms in my description below, more than welcome to use my affiliate code. It's TeachMaya, all caps. Yeah, all the support helps. Anyways, on that note, I'm gonna call it there. This price action just isn't now doing what I would like to see it doing. we have tomorrow still. We're up nicely. We have tomorrow. Let's try again tomorrow. I'll be back. London and New York session tomorrow, guys. It's Friday. Bring your fun. Bring your fun. We're gonna have fun. But I love you guys madly. Trade safe if you're trading this. You know, be careful. And bye. Basically, I love you guys. Bye.